Hi, what's your name? EXHU? How do I call you? Okay, it's not connecting maybe. I'm talking to you, EXHU, or is it your name, or did you misspell it, or is it your name? You are muted. You are muted. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. Can you introduce yourself, please? Because I think this is our first time seeing you.
Okay, I'm new here. I'm always watch Daniel Education Center live, but I never joined personally. First, now is for my first time. I'm very glad to hear. I'm really glad to talk to you face by face, one by one. First of all, I want to say thank you to you. My name is Xiang Zhonglian.
Okay.
And my English name Leo. I got the name from my sister who's living in abroad America. Yeah.
Okay, Leo,
I'm
right?
currently living in.
Okay. Welcome, welcome. And thank you for joining us. I hope you learn a lot. Thank you. We hope to see you every week.
Okay. Yeah. See you.
Thank you. Hello, Brother Zelen. It's so good to see you. And you make us laugh every week. You know, we enjoy your talk, we enjoy your input. So welcome again. You're muted.
Okay, I want to continue my study.
Yes.
I'm so weak in English.
Oh, no, you're not. You're not. I mean, you're not so weak, you know, you're good. So don't try to degrade yourself. You're good.
I want to say one thing. American people, when I observe, they have positive mind.
Yes.
Even though we are weak in pronunciation, they try to understand.
Mm-hmm.
They have like that.
Yes.
Remember, if I cannot speak English properly, they may look down me and they may say this and that.
Yes.
But even though I cannot speak properly, they try to understand.
Yes.
Yeah, they have, how to say, positive mind. I appreciate them.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct.
So, if I have time, I want to continue again. That's why I'm joining here today.
Yeah. So, brothers, we were talking about you. So, if you really want to continue your education, you know, please contact with my husband. You know, we have the email we provided to you. I don't know whether you have it or not, but just contact my husband or me, you know, through that email, so that we can contact with you and we can help you, you know, in a personal way.
Last time I sent in through email, yeah, but I'm so, I have to say, last time also I told you, my age is coming to 30 years.
No
So
problem.
if I apply scholarship, I confused. I may not get because I become like a middle age, so they may not accept me anymore. So if I have money, if I was sponsor only, I can study to American. I think like that. My father also, he can sponsor me, but here I am a teacher. In my ID card, I wrote like that. When I register, I wrote like that. Education, a teacher. So I scare a bit. They may, so I did see them, so they may know. If they know, they may catch me, and I scare.
Yes. So, Miss Alexandra, what he's saying is that, you know, in his ID card, he put his job as, you know, a teacher. So if you if you apply for a passport or some other stuff, you know, and if the government knows that he is a teacher and not working, they can arrest him. So that is why he is fearing for his life. That is one of the reasons why he's quite he's not really into applying to school here in America yet. You know, he's yeah. What's the word?
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So we still have 3 more minutes, so we can have more conversation if you guys want to.
I don't know how to say your name. It's EXHU. How do you say your name?
Me?
Yeah.
Me.
I don't even know when you appear in that screen. That's not my
Okay.
name.
Okay, what is your name?
My name, my full name is in Chin, Xiang Zhonglian, and my English name is Leo. You
Leo.
can call me Leo.
Okay, you're very kind. I always think and joke that if I was learning Burmese, y'all would laugh at me. It's hard to pronounce
Yeah.
for my poor English tongue. Good to meet you. Have you been to the class before?
No, this is my first time, and I'm so glad. I'm so happy to see your face. Also the Daniel Education Center. I don't know her name, and also you, Alexandra Rose. Nice to see you, and also my brother in here. I don't know his name. Yeah.
We're glad that you're here. I hope it's helpful. We do lots of just speaking and practicing and imitation and things to help with pronunciation. I don't feel qualified as an English teacher. I teach 3rd grade here, so I teach 9-year-olds. They're precious little beans. But I can speak English, so I can do that at least.
Yeah. Can you speak in Chin? Any word? Do you know any word in Chin? Chin word?
Say it again.
Do you know any Chin word? Do you understand any Chin word?
Okay.
I don't know
In Chin language?
Okay, let me translate that for you. So when we say Chin, it's technically Burmese, but we have lots of tribes here in Burma. So Chin language is part of Burmese. So he is asking for that specific tribal language,
Got it.
which I don't think you know.
No, I don't know. Do you know, Miss Lai?
Yes, yeah, I speak that language.
Okay. I don't know. You have to teach me something.
Yeah. Or, you know, Leo can teach you something.
Yeah, Leo, can you teach me something? What do I need to know?
Like how are you in Chin? In Chin, we say nadamma. We say nadamma.
Like that?
Yeah, nadamma. Yeah, you're correct.
So